So, welcome to a brand new live stream, and I will wait a couple of moments until the people will join because I made a small mistake into the preparation of this live stream where I basically put it on private, okay, so nobody can see it. That would be bad because it's a nice piece of content again today. Water right? We had the Fed meeting, and let me know, by the way, guys, where you are watching from in the chat box. Should be right there, right? Or there? No, right there. And you will get a shout out. And smash the like button, okay? This is very important. Follow me on Instagram if you want to send me private messages. I always look them up. Wolf of Dubai Denny. And there I'm watching all the messages, and the messages to me will be very important because, as you know, this volatile crazy market is perfect for day trading, and I just released this brand new course, and if you haven't heard about it, here's the trailer. Let me introduce you to my brand new product, X10 Day Trading. Basically, you are sick and tired of your 9-to-5 jobs like I was, then this is for you. Or you just want to get a little bit of money on the side, a couple of $1,000s per month with day trading, where you don't need to know technical analysis and where you watch only 10 videos to know the strategy that I used to 10x $2,000. Yes, in 1 month, and I did it twice. And let me tell you what comes with it: a 30-minute call with me, plus an exclusive group that is coming only with this purchase, plus a second 30-minute call with me a couple of weeks later to see if you're going. So I'm holding your hand, but obviously it's time limited, so 50 people maximum. Get in if you want right now. So I would say, like, check out the link into the description below and you can check it out, but we are closed. We don't accept any new members because we want to keep it private. But if you want to be in the next couple of seats that we are open, most probably towards the end of the month, and want to join this group and make money while trading with me together, I take you by the hand. Great community, we're building great people there. They're making a lot of money. I'm sharing this on Instagram already. Send me a message in Instagram or in the comments and I will put you on the waiting list. But let's have a look what's happened. Okay, so the Fed raises interest rates for the first time since 2018, and it's ridiculous, right? Because we had the money printer on for so long, and the Fed now had to make this step because we are running into the huge inflation. We are running into several problems by inflating the economy, and that's why you see that the Fed had to do it. And by the way, best regards to West Lafayette in US, Ohio, Dubai, Southern Oregon in the house, and Sweden, and our member Jesper Hansen from Denmark. Thank you very much for tuning in. So you had now the Fed that was on many years now with the money printing device steady on, and today was expected that they come out and say we will raise the rates for 0.25 basis points. So you are thinking, okay, that's fine, but why the market tanked then as soon as this news came out? You see that here? You see that? So the S&P 500 just had today this drop here just as the Fed meeting was announced, as soon as the paper was announced. And this was because one reason. Besides the only rate increase, there's also other things to talk about. Like, for example, the balance sheet of the Fed. They built up balance sheet, buying bonds, and so on and so forth. And actually what's happening is that they are basically want to sell the balance sheet, but they said in this meeting that they will talk about it in the May meeting. Okay, so they meet like a couple of times per year. Now it was mid of March, the next one is mid of May, and every meeting they decide to raise the rates, you know, to remove the balance sheets and so on and so forth. So you can see that the balance sheet is not yet announced, which is smart because the balance sheet is a quite big thing. Okay, if they try to sell it too fast, then market can crash, because this is holding the market obviously as well, right? If the biggest entity in terms of money, you know, really, you know, holding all this balance sheets assets. Okay, so what is happening is that I see the next thing that I saw is basically the expected rate hikes. Okay, and here's the question: being so bullish and, you know, dovish all the time for the Fed made a problem for them to, you know, raise the rates a little bit too fast, which can shake up the market a little bit. Okay, and they announced that they expect to raise the rates 7 times this year. So basically from now on, every now and then when they meet, they will raise the rates. Okay, which came a little bit surprising because the expectation was 4 to 5 rates, and then alarm came out, right? The algorithm was trading, people were trading, oh god, 7 hikes instead of 5 or 6. So the market was selling off. This is what you see here. Okay, so the market was a little bit, you know, emotional, panicking and selling off. So the S&P 500 turned even negative, and then basically recovered and you know, had a great run now. So we are now at almost 2% plus for the day. Quite a rally after yesterday's rally. So both days together, like 4% higher. You know, this is the relief rally that's going on right now, and the people are loving you know, what's going on. So it's always the same, like the Fed comes out with something, the market can react one way, but after a couple of minutes, after the press conference, usually it's you know, it's going a little bit into the other direction as well. So it's balancing out. Okay, so remember that for the next meeting in May, once there is a market reaction, it's not the final market reaction for that day. Okay, so very important, guys, very important to learn the steps, and you know, you will learn the steps with me in the day trading group to basically, you know, understand the market, trade on the market, and it's very, very lucrative, and it's very, very nice. I really recommend you contact me, you know, by email, by Instagram, and I will put you on the wait list, and end of the month I will open it for just a couple of handful people to join again. Okay, so so now what's the next step? So the market has now a little bit of runway still over the next couple of weeks. Okay, the upper mark for the S&P 500 is about 4,600, and the down mark is around 4,200. Okay, somewhere in the between we will trade over the next couple of weeks, and even maybe months. Okay, there's still the war going on there, which is, you know, heavy on the market, but there's also, you know, there's also good news on the market, right? I mean, we might see now better conditions because we know what the Fed will do. We know that the war can also stop anytime, right? There's some talks going on. So there's a lot of things, oil price going down a little bit. So there is good things on the horizon. So it's not only that you should focus on the bad news and say the market will crash. We are still in a bear market, in my personal opinion. And I said this for many weeks. People said, you know, you are wrong, and now I'm right. And, you know, it is what it is. But I feel like when you educate yourself, that's the best investment in yourself that you can do. And with that said, I want to also give you a little bit of shout out to the Bay Area, Portugal, and Norway. And then I want to have also a look into our stocks. What is our stocks doing? Let's have a look. I have here a small watch list here. Space is up. We are now the $8 mark, right? Like a huge recovery in the last 2 days, basically almost 20%. Then we are having Tesla's up in the 840 levels, right? Then you are having Bitcoin is up 3%. DAX is up, the German index. ARK Invest is going up. So you see all of these growth stocks that got really hammered over the last couple of days are recovering. So smash up that live stream. Follow me and text me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny, and hopefully I see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for tuning in, and take care.